Welcome back to Trending Cars, your trusted source for the latest automotive insights. Today, we're reviewing the all-new 2026 Ford Motorhome, a vehicle that's changing the way we think about travel. With its updated design, comfortable interior, solid performance, and smart pricing, this model stands out in the motorhome segment. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 Ford Motorhome has a strong, modern presence. The bold front grille and aerodynamic shape not only improve style but also help with fuel efficiency. LED headlights and sleek daytime running lights give it a sharp look, while retractable side steps and a large electric awning make outdoor access easy and convenient. The slightly raised roofline allows for more headroom inside, and there's also an option for a panoramic sunroof, perfect for natural lighting and sky views. Inside, the cabin is designed for luxury and comfort. You'll find premium leather seating, ambient lighting, and a smart layout that transforms easily for different uses. The lounge area features recliners that convert into beds, and the dining table doubles as a workspace with a built-in wireless charging pad. The kitchen includes a 2-burner induction stove, microwave, fridge, and filtered water sink. The bedroom has memory foam mattresses and privacy curtains, while the bathroom comes with a shower, flushing toilet, and smart ventilation, all in a compact but efficient design. Technology-wise, this motorhome is fully loaded. It features Ford's SYNC infotainment system on a large touchscreen, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS, and even 360-degree cameras. There's voice control, adaptive cruise control, built-in Wi-Fi, and USB-C ports everywhere. You also get a dual battery system and solar panel support, making it ready for long off-grid adventures. Under the hood, the Ford Motorhome is powered by a hybrid V6 engine. It offers excellent torque, solid fuel economy, and smooth handling. The four-wheel drive system and upgraded suspension allow it to handle highways and rough trails alike. Plus, noise insulation makes sure the cabin stays quiet during long drives. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford Motorhome starts at around $92,000 for the base version and goes up to $120,000 for premium trims with solar, upgraded seating, and advanced tech. For what it offers, it's a strong value in the current market. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Trending Cars. Would you take this Ford Motorhome on your next trip? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next one.